Hi everyone, welcome to the course. This video is an introduction to MSP430G2 Launchpad. We will learn about this MSP430 Launchpad and how to use it. Using this Launchpad, we can work with MSP430 microcontrollers which can work with the speed up to 16 MHz. So without any further delay, let's dive into the development tools and see the introduction of MSP430G2 Launchpad. When you purchase the MSP430G2 Launchpad from Texas Instruments, you will get these components included in your box. The complete contents are also shown in the picture. Now let's talk about all these components one by one. You will get MSP430G2 development board. We can use this board to program all TI microcontrollers that fall under the MSP430 series. The main purpose of this board is to upload code from the computer to the microcontroller, read serial data from the microcontroller for debugging purposes. It also provides a pinout for each pin of the microcontroller and also two LEDs and a push button to make development easy. I will explain about MSP430 board components in coming section one by one. If I start explaining about all components now, you may get confused. This board comes with two microcontrollers, MSP430G2452 and MSP430G2553. As I told earlier, the MSP430 development board can be used to program microcontrollers that fall under the MSP430 series. But with this development kit, TI provides us two microcontrollers from MSP430 series, which are the MSP430G2452 and MSP430G2553. Both are 20-pin microcontrollers, but by default, the MSP430G2553 will be fixed to the IC socket of your development board, and the MSP430G2452 will be provided separately. The technical specifications of both microcontrollers are shown in the table. As you can see, the MSP430G2553 has better specification than the other. It also has a UART module which would be very handy while debugging using integrated development environment, like we are using Energia development ID in this course. Hence, in this series of video course, we will be using